Hey friends, welcome back. Today's challenge is all about emojis. Can you guess the word, object, or animal just by looking at the clues? You've got just a few seconds to lock in your answer, so stay sharp and let's dive in. Can you guess the word from these emojis? Red Bull. Who gives you wings, right? Which animal do these emojis point to? Polar bear. Cold, fluffy, and powerful. What sport is hiding here? Basketball. Bounce it, shoot it, score it. Decode this emoji combo. Toilet paper. An everyday essential we can't ignore. What's this daily item? Toothbrush. It keeps your smile shining bright. What vehicle do you see here? Fire truck. Always rushing to save the day. What does this emoji show? Snowman. Built with love on snowy days. Can you name this pair? Lovebirds. Together forever in harmony. Who is this person? Teacher. The one who lights the path of knowledge. Find the odd one out. Great! Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Sweet, spiky, and tropical. Who's this character? Cowboy. Straight out of the Wild West. What food is this emoji showing? Hot dog. Perfect snack at a game or fair. Which brand is this hinting at? Starbucks, the coffee that runs the world. Can you solve this spooky emoji? Haunted house. Enter if you dare. What dessert is this? Apple pie. Warm, sweet, and all-American. Which food is shown here? Pizza. No cheesy goodness in every bite. What country is represented here? Japan, land of the rising sun. What platform is this? YouTube, where videos never end. Find the odd monkey emoji. Awesome! Which animal jumps here? Kangaroo, a true Aussie hopper. What vehicle do kids take? School bus, bringing students to class daily. Which snack is this? Popcorn, movie time's best partner. Who does this emoji describe? Rockstar, living loud and rocking hard. What sea creature is this? Jellyfish, floating gracefully in the ocean. What's this food? Ramen, slurp it hot and tasty. Which animal is here? Elephant, the gentle giant of the wild. Can you name this? Rhino, strong and armored with a horn. Who is standing tall in the field? Scarecrow, keeping birds away from the crops. Find the odd emoji from this image. Nice! What summer essential is this? Sun cream. Protect your skin. Enjoy the sun. What dessert is this? Banana split. A classic ice cream treat. Guess the sweet here. Caramel. Sticky, sweet, and golden. Which fruit do you see? Mango, the king of fruits. Which fruit is this emoji? Watermelon, juicy, sweet, and perfect for summer. What drink is shown here? Milkshake. Creamy, frosty, and delicious. Decode this emoji word. Rainbow. A splash of colors in the sky. Which country is this? Spain. Fiesta, flamenco, and fun. Which fruit is this? Dragon fruit. Exotic, pretty, and tasty. What object is this? Sink, where water flows every day. Awesome job, Emoji Masters! How many did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes, and I'll see you in the next challenge.